Do you have a house in the upstate South Carolina area that needs to sell fast? Selling your home the traditional way through a real estate agent can take months, even up to a year, if it sells at all. It takes a lot of effort and significant expense to list it for sale. If you have stress and need to sell for various reasons, we are here to buy. We can help. GIP Withholdings LLC is a local home buyer that buys homes where no bank qualifying is needed. Here are ways we buy so that the seller and buyer get their goals. Owner financing, lease option, rent to buy, subject to cash discount. When you work with us, you won't pay any dreaded closing fees or commissions. You don't need to fix or clean anything, and we can close in your time frame. If this sounds good to you, please give us a call or visit our website and fill out the short form. Tell us a little about the property, and we will provide you with a fair all-cash offer today. It's that simple. We look forward to hearing from you soon.